Welcome back. Today, let's get started. If your YouTube banner is the first thing people see when they land on your channel, and Canva makes it ridiculously easy to build one that actually looks professional. So let's get started with this tutorial. The most easiest solution is to using Canva. Canva is one of the easiest way to get started and to prove that it actually works. What I'm going to be doing here is to use a free account. We have a pro account. We're going to be using the free account to make this process really easily for all of you guys. So what you want to do is to click into your actual account, and what I want to do is to focus into the upper left corner that says create. Directly inside here, let's find the right template. We can do it two ways. We can go for the artificial intelligence, or we can do this with the actual design of the template. So here, what you want to do is to go for the element that says what would you like to create. Let's go for YouTube and look out for the one that says YouTube banner. When I click directly inside here, know that YouTube crops your banner differently into desktop, tablet, and TV screen. So Canva templates usually show a highlighted safe zone into the middle. Keep your channel name, logo, and any important text inside the area so it's never cut it out into the actual device. Into the left section, for example, we can see that we have all our actual templates. So the only thing you needed to do is to click into one free template that we can't be able to use. For example, this one. I kind of like this one. Speaking about the cropping element, everything is into the center, so I think it actually works really fine. So what I'm going to be doing here is to double click and type the elements that I would like to change. For example, EasyTech daily, new videos up every day. And here to my site, for example, I'm going to be changing this for EasyTech daily, and directly inside here I'm going to delete this. So as you can see, generating an actual banner is going to be just as simple as that. There's a second option that we can do, which is manually. So if you wanted to do this manually, for example, what I can suggest to you is to use an actual template so you know exactly where things could be put in on ad. For example, I kind of like this, but I think I wanted to change the colors, I wanted to change the image which is in here, and I wanted to add something else into the left zones. So for example, let's say that I go directly into my uploads and I want to upload a picture of myself, for example, this one. So I double click and I can rearrange this as I wanted to. There we go. Now I wanted to change the actual colors for something like this. There we go. Now I would like to change the actual colors, there we go, of my text. There we go. Fitness studio. Let's go for Alien Worship. And the same thing here. Alien Worship. Now, I would like to go into elements into the upper left corner and just, let's say, type the word space. If I focus into graphics, I can add much more elements, for example, this one. And I can rearrange them as I wanted to. For example, scrolling a little bit down, here I have planets that I can add into the actual background. Of course, nobody's going to see it unless they're actually watching it into their own, let's say, into the TV, because this one is too big for it. But I think this actually works for me, and I kind of like that. So I think that this actually works for me. As you can see, this looks really fun. So when I finish with either both of this, I wanted to go into share. I go for download, and I wanted to leave exactly the same size that appears directly inside here, and look out for download. So when you finish downloading your actual image, your new YouTube banner will be applied directly inside that. So the last thing I wanted to do is to open a new tab. I'm going to open a new window like this, and directly into my new window, I'm going to go directly into my YouTube channel. Once you have now selected your YouTube channel, I'm going to go for switch an actual account. For example, I select an actual channel that we have generated just as an example so you can see how it actually looks. I look out for the element that says YouTube Studio, and into the customization dashboard, you can see that we have the banner image. Choose the element that says change. and I select the actual images, and you can see that actually everything looks correctly. Viewable into TV, viewable into the desktop, and into all the devices. So guys, as you can see, the process actually is not that hard. If you have guys any questions, you can let us know into the comments below. Don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully with all that's been said, next time